So just go right up here and it'll take me to a spillway?
Take a right right away at the light.
Gotcha.
There was a fine rain, there was a red wine, there was a long whistle, it was a good sign. There was a band playing somewhere off screen. There was a girl saying, come clean. In a dream, on a busted afternoon. In a haze, on a busted afternoon. In a bad way, on a busted afternoon. There was a sad truth, there was a punchline, there was a long whistle, it was a good sign. There was a long
Oh shit. He's having to try to do it. Matt said if he crashed it, if Reagan crashed it, that he'd go get it. And he is getting it. Be barefoot. How Texas is this?
Yeah, bitches, who's your daddy now? I don't know how I'm going to get back down.
Oh, it's just like a big slide.
Well, the only reason why you're slipping is because you're in your socks. You need to be in your bare feet. I mean, I can walk right up this thing.
No way, dude. Come up.
It does get pretty
Coming.
steep.
Right there, you're done.
Don't fall, please.
You're right.
Trust me, it's
Yeah, right here it
down.
gets. This is as far as I'm willing to
Since I'm on
go.
your quad, I probably-
And I've got rubber shoes on. Oh
Might as well
God.
get a picture of the
Oh.
quad on top, right?
Yeah.
Looking over.
Dude, we used to come skate. Seriously.
Like a slide.
Sit on the quad. Hell, can you just slide it down? It does go past steep. Like right where you're at, it gets steeper. Right there. That's the steepest point.
No, it's when you get over this down about 3 more feet.
Yeah, yeah, I can see it.
It's cool, dude.
I can walk right out that.
Yeah.
Listen to him
I
talking.
thought so too.
Shit.
And I was like, nope, it's going to be backwards, and I'm slipping. Don't talk.
Don't talk.
Are you videoing it?
Yeah. I am.
Because I might start going here in a second.
Oh, that would make great
This
footage.
shit is
Tumble
slick as
on down.
glass. There's no grip.
Like Jack and Jill.
You got it.
That was hot, man. My ass is on fire. All right, it's cool. Yeah, I got it.
Oh shit. Did you rip the ass out of your pants?
No, but as I started to slide, it was getting hot. I was like, damn.
Nice recovery.
That was crazy. Oh, the SD card ran out at some point in time up there.
Oh.
Or it would have recorded the whole